Hello everyone, my name is Hideaki Koizumi. It's a great pleasure to join you at this TEDxTodai meeting in the University of Tokyo. Today, I would like to share with you my experiences, and that's for the worth sharing. So let's see. Beautiful image. This image was taken by the Hubble telescope. The universe, and galaxy, and the stars, everything in it. Telescope is useful for astronomy and physics. At the other end of the size, the microscope is also very useful for biology, medicine, and material sciences. And we have been working for mindscope. Mindscope is just to take a look at your mind through the activity of the brain. In 1992, my research team published a paper on the observation of the activation of the brain while we are tapping like this, left finger tapping. We got the activation on the right hemisphere of the brain by using the newly developed functional MRI machine. And what we did, completely different experiment at the time. We didn't move our fingers. Just imagine the finger tapping inside of the brain. Also, we could observe the clear signal even while we are thinking or imagining the finger tapping. So this is the origin of the brain-machine interface. Then we further developed a new machine that we named optical topography. By using this machine, we can observe the brain activity under very natural conditions. For example, this is the activation of language areas during writing. So we can get the data signal from the brain. We can control, like a model train, only by thinking. Only by thinking, no action. We can start and stop this model train. We had working for more serious application of this brain-machine interface by using the optical topography method. That is for ALS, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. I think you know this ALS. It's a really tragic and sad disease because finally the patient will not be able to move any muscle and looks like to be in vegetative state. That we call locked-in condition or locked-in state. But we thought does consciousness exist even in such kind of completely locked-in patient? If the consciousness does exist, what are they thinking? Is there any possible way to communicate with the ALS patient? We tested it by using our brain-machine interface. Unfortunately, the hearing doesn't require any muscle. So the patient can hear what we ask to the patient. We ask the patient many questions. And we found that the Wernicke's area is clearly activated. This is the area for understanding. So the patient could understand what we asked. And next we asked the patient, please recall the train station name, as many as possible, like JR stations, Shibuya, Tokyo, Shinjuku, and so on. And we observed the very clear activation from the Broca's area. That is for word generation. So, even such kind of patient does help consciousness. So, we try to communicate with this completely locked-in patient. We ask the patient, if your answer would be yes, please imagine right hand grasping. But yet your answer is no. Don't imagine anything. The no signal is just white. Yes signal is red one. This, sorry, what? Please return to the original one. No. This one. Yes. So we asked many questions. We finally succeeded to communicate with such kind of locked-in patient. Looks like fitry and vegetative state. The families of the patient were very pleased. And also the patient was pleased, I think, because patient face shows a pinkish glow. So she must be moved. Of course, we are very much moved. But some serious ethical issues emerged. What kind of question is right? What kind of question is wrong? The ultimate question could be, do you want to keep living? If the answer would be no, what should we do? So the ethical issues is very important. The message I would share with you is nurturing basis of ethics before engineering and technology. Basis of ethics is like empathy, compassion, and warm-heartedness. That must be very important. Such kind of things should be the first. Engineering and technology should be the next. There are two aspects of brain science and ethics. One is ethics of brain science. For example, is it allowed to read your mind by using this kind of tool? This is the issue of ethics of brain science. And the other aspect is the brain science for ethics. By using the brain science, we can know more about ethics, the origin of the ethics inside the brain. As you know, the culture, sometimes religious values. So we have been thinking, is it possible to have a general norms for humans' existence? I'd like to know such kind of general norms. That is my dream.